People are not machine. They want to be validated. For so many people today, the interaction is purely transactional. They just focus on results, getting job done. Let us see what Oprah is saying about validation.
The single most important lesson I learned in 25 years talking every single day to people was that there's a common denominator in our human experience. We want to be validated. We want to be understood. I've done over 35,000 interviews in my career. And as soon as that camera shuts off, everyone always turns to me and inevitably in their own way asks this question: was that okay? I heard it from President Bush. I heard it from President Obama. I've heard it from heroes and from housewives. I've heard it from victims and perpetrators of crimes. I even heard it from Beyonce and all of her Beyonce-ness. Friends and family, yours, enemies, strangers, in every argument, in every encounter, every exchange, I will tell you, they all want to know one thing. Was that okay? Did you hear me? Do you see me? Did what I say mean anything to you?
To influence people or to hypnotize them, you need not to convince them. You actually need to connect with them. And the formula here is to convince people, don't convince them. Connect with them. Once again, let me repeat this formula. To convince people, do not convince them. Connect with them. I called this formula C3. Now, the first C, which stands for connection, building connection is very crucial. Building connection is the core of influencing people or managing people effectively or building successful relationship. Now, the problem is how we can connect with people. Here are 3 practical steps through which you can connect with each and every individual or in a group of people very effectively. All these 3 steps are explained with detail in examples in module 2. Now, till then, I think it's enough for today. Inshallah, see you soon. Till then, rise and shine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.